Hi, we're the Soil Sisters. I'm Cam.
And I'm Mia.
So today we're going to talk about seeds, which is the first step in any gardening journey and one of the most important steps. And this is our dog bonsai.
Yeah, good boy.
Because the seeds that you start with shape everything that comes after that. It's like running a marathon with bad sneakers if you buy poor seeds. So it's the really important part of starting your garden.
We're not going to go into all the different kinds of seeds there are. There are other videos on that. Plus, it's actually a little boring. So today, in this video, we are going to get straight to the point. And we're going to give you the 4 most important tips to think about when you purchase your vegetable seeds this year. And that's all you need.
So stick around till the end so you can take your first step in your gardening journey with confidence. Thanks for tuning into our podcast today, and I hope you enjoy this video. In our last video, we talked about why gardens fail by midsummer, and that failure has nothing to do with the weather nor the climate. That failure usually starts earlier than you realize, and it's because you didn't build a proper foundation. So we're talking about the right foundation, and the right foundation is healthy soil, high quality seeds equals success. So this video is the next step in that process. Most advice jumps around from soil amendments to planting, to seeding, to seed varieties. And we're not going to do that here on this channel. We're going to put everything in the right order so you can follow along. So before we talk about soil composition and soil structure and how to step by step build the right soil foundation, we need to talk about seeds. For those of you who have bought seeds before, buying seeds can be an overwhelming process. There are 200 varieties of tomatoes, and there's all kinds of seeds, hybrids, heirlooms, non-organic, and you're thinking, what do I even choose? So I want you to skip that overwhelming process. And I want you to buy the right seed and get an early start. You've got to start buying your seeds in January or February because some of the varieties will run out. So it's important to choose organic seeds. Organic seeds are healthy for the soil. They're healthy for the biodiversity in your garden. They're healthy for the bees and the birds. And also they're healthy for you and your family. So please only buy organic seeds. High quality seed means a high yield. So I always tell people to buy from reputable seed companies. That's really, really important. Because here's the thing. You can buy seeds for $1 and you'll get 1 cucumber. And that cucumber will be small, so you can't even save the seeds from that cucumber for the next year. But if you buy, say, a pack of seeds of cucumbers for $4, they'll get 30 cucumbers. And not only that, you'll be able to save seed every year, and you'll never have to buy cucumber seeds again. So see it as an investment. I love it when January and February comes around because I get to go online and buy seeds, and that's my favorite kind of shopping. So I'm going to show you my seeds. Now, I have a lot of seeds because I collect. I keep it in an airtight container, and as you can see, I have a ton of seeds here. Now, because I'm in a damp climate, I have put them in plastic bags. But as you can see, I have a wide variety, and recently I bought organic seeds here in Spain. So I am stocking up a little bit already for next year because I get very excited. Okay, so our plan here at Soil Sisters is to, throughout the spring, make 1 YouTube video a week. And I'm going to start my garden here in Mallorca, and I'm going to take you through it step by step so you can get your garden up wherever you are in the world. And by next summer, you'll be eating your own homegrown organic vegetables. So if you have any questions, please put them in the comments. We're going to answer every question that you have, and we're going to support you in your gardening journey every step of the way. In the next video, we're going to get deeper into the soil step that determines everything. We're going to talk about regenerative agriculture, which is a gardening growing method that helps build resilient and healthy soil. With this method, the garden takes care of itself, which means less work for you. So don't forget to press the like button down below and also the subscribe button. And if you press the notifications, you can follow us each week on this gardening journey as we take it step by step together. So let's grow together. So here at Soil Sisters, we have a ton of gardening tips and hacks for you for the upcoming season. They're easy, they're low maintenance, and they're stress-free. So stay tuned.